Hello students. Today we are going to learn fractions. Hello student. Welcome to the maths world. Today we are going to learn fractions. Fractions is a very important concept throughout your education. So let us learn it from basics. Okay. So what do you mean by fractions? A fraction represent a part of a whole. So, for example, you have a whole chapati, a whole roti. So, if you are making equal number of parts of that roti, that means it's a fraction. Very simple understanding. Example, half means one part out of two equal parts. So, how they have written it here? 1 by 2. So, one whole part you are dividing into two equal parts. Okay, so the above number we call it as a numerator and below number we call it as denominator. So that means above one is how many things and this is how many parts. So here you are taking a one whole and making it into two parts. Means out of two parts you are consuming, you are eating, you are using one part. Now the line between numerator and denominator we call it as a fraction bar. Okay, what it is? Fraction bar. So numerator, a top number, that means how many parts. Denominator, which is the bottom number, total equal parts. So how total number of numbers you are dividing into how many equal parts, that denotes. Next comes the types of fraction. There are total 7 types of fractions. Okay, so the first one is proper fraction. What do you mean by proper fraction? Proper fraction where numerator is smaller than denominator. For example, it is 2 by 3, where numerator 2 is smaller than denominator 3. Next is improper fraction where numerator is greater than, so for example, numerator is 3 and denominator is 2. This is greater than 2 or equal to the denominator where numerator and denominator are equal, and where numerator is more than denominator. These kind of fractions we call them as improper fraction. This is the second type of fraction. The third type of fraction is where a whole number and a proper fraction will be there. A whole number, for example, it's a 2. 2 is a whole number. Now, what do you mean by proper fraction? Where numerator is smaller than denominator. Okay, see here, 2 is a whole part, then 2 by 3 is a proper fraction. This is called mixed fraction. Next comes, so this first will denote it. This is proper, this is improper, and this is mixed. Next we'll see unit fraction. What do you mean by unit fraction? Where everywhere the numerator is 1, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, or for example 4 by 4. Okay, so when 4 things are divided into 4 equal parts, you will get 1. So these are all unit fractions. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. First is proper, improper, mixed fraction, unit fraction. Then comes equivalent fraction. A fraction that look different but have same value. Okay, let us see this. It's a chocolate. Okay, it's a chocolate. This is a whole chocolate, right? The whole chocolate, I'm dividing it into two parts. This is one whole. This is two parts. 2 out of 2. Next, the same chocolate, you will divide it into 4 equal parts. So is the size is changing? No. See, 1, it is 1 by 2. Sorry, this is 1 by 2. This is, see, out of these 2 parts only, I have done it 4 parts. 2 by 4. So can I make one more of this? So example, we'll take the same chocolate, we'll divide it into 6 equal parts. Okay, so this is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total number of parts are 6. Out of them, for example, if I am eating here half, so here also I am eating same amount of chocolate, and here also I am eating same amount of chocolate. So that means in this, how much you ate? You ate half of the chocolate. That means you have ate half of it. In this, total number of parts are 4 and you ate 2 parts. And in this condition, how many parts did you eat? You ate 3 parts out of 6. So can you observe something where the amount of the chocolate which you are consuming in everything is same? So that means 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6. Is it changing its quantity? No, but the looks are different. It looks different, but the value is same. Next comes addition of fraction. Before going for addition of fraction, we have to see 2 more fractions, which are the types of fraction. First one is proper fraction, then improper fraction, mixed fraction, unit fraction, equivalent fraction. Then what is next? Do you remember? So check this and let me know what are the other 2 types of fractions. Let us know. Next comes addition of fractions. So please understand. Okay, so let us not give this as a work. Understand, like and unlike fractions are 2 more fractions which I have told you to check. So like fraction where, check. Okay, like fractions are where all the denominators are same. Can you see? All the denominators are same. This is like fraction. Then what do you mean by unlike fraction? Where denominators are different. 5 by 3, 8 by 2, 7 by 4, then 9 by 3. So see here, all the fractions, denominators are different. These are called unlike fractions. Now, when it comes to understanding, how to add, like fractions addition is different and unlike fraction addition is different. For example, 2 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So it's a like fraction. So when you are adding the like fractions, it is 2 plus 3. Just add the numerator and keep the denominator same. So it is 5 by 4. So simple. You just have to add the numerator and keep the common denominator same. This is addition of fraction. Next comes subtraction of fractions. For example, 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Just you should take the numerator and keep the denominator same. Keep one denominator. Don't subtract 4 minus 4. Just you have to keep one time. That is 3 minus 1 is 2 by 4. Can you check it? So equivalent fraction, you just have to see 2 and 4 comes in which table, or 2 and 4 by what table you can divide completely. So 2 and 4 comes in 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. It is 1 by 2. Okay, it is so simple. Just revise once again all the fractions which are taught. Thank you.